Oh, it's cold. I have the best costume ever.
Huwag ka tumakbo.
Wala.
Go. Sige, trick or treat. You go inside. Trick or treat. Come on. They're happy to see you. You say trick or treat. You go there. You go there. Over there. Oh, be careful. Thank you. Open the to say trick or treat.
So sweet, isn't it? It's so nice. Have a nice night.
Thank you.
That's Evie's house. 34.
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, pretty happy.
Yummy.
Oh!
Down.
Oh my god! Oh, there's another person!
Is it that one? Among Us. Yes, you got me there. You got me there.
Treat Jomi. Jomi.
Yes, you can.
Here, Jomi, here.
Thank you. How are you? What's up? Oh, Bobo. Speaking of Facebook,
Oh, nice costume.
So thank you. You want to take a picture with Among Us? Say trick or treat. Did you say trick or treat already? They gave.
Got some candy.
All right. Say trick or treat, Jomi. Thank you.
yeah, that's what I want to do with Apple.
Trick or treat. My bag. Trick or treat.
Do you like my friend's costume?
Oh yeah. You need help, yeah?
She's very sus.
I will give you for your costume.
Jomi. Hi! It's trick-or-treating night, Halloween night for the kids. So, I'm a stage mom. So, ayan yung mga kasama ko.
A dinosaur.
Here you go.
Hi!
You say Among Us, I say Alien. Alien.
Okay. Stop scaring me.
Good boyfriend.
Here, Jiro. This side.
How are people saying this is scary? It's not scary. Mom, you're blinding me. Get me out of here! Get me out of here!
Hi! Pagod na yung aking mga artista. We're all,
My feet hurt.
their feet hurts. We're walking home na because pagod na silang mag-trick or treat. Ro is the among us. Everyone is looking at her. She's got the best costume in town.
Yes. I know. Wow. Let's go, guys. We're going to see the fireworks since it's bonfire here.
Bonfire night.
Yeah. Bonfire night.
Let's go.
We've never seen a lot of people.
Show me, Ro. Watch out.
We've never seen these. We've never seen a lot of people walking with fire. Over there.
Hi everyone! Today is bonfire night, so we're going to the park to watch the fireworks. It's November 5th, so remember the 5th of November. Yeah?
Yeah. The guns have. Are they like made by their own? Are they crocheted?
Yeah,
The poppies by themselves?
by the people.
Oh. So you just put it on. Wow. I heard one. Fire.
Mm. Ro, mauna ka sa akin.
Mommy.
dito na kami sa tapat ng park. So, kasi may ticket up na sa park. So, alam mo naman tayo mga Pinoy. Mga resourceful tayo. In short, mga kuripot. I'm not gonna pay for a ticket, tas magpipila ka lang. Tas hindi ka lang makakalapit. So, at this point, makikita na namin yung fireworks. Ito, look. Jomi! Jomi Norvian, come here now. Jomi, tinatawag. Jomi Norvian. So, just want to say na nakabalik na kami from the bonfire place and the fireworks display. Nalobat ako kasi hindi pala na-charge yung phone ko. So, kung ano lang yung nakunan ng video, yun na yun. Anyway, nag-enjoy naman yung mga bata. They said they had
Fun.
fun. Good night, everyone.